There's one word. Every time we have a new piece of wall art installed, the reaction from students, from staff, from visitors is always, wow.
One of the unintended benefits of the wall art has been just our maintenance team are so delighted.
We can all go back to those old-fashioned display boards where our teachers and our teaching assistants would invest huge amounts of time cutting and sticking, and almost the minute that that display went up, it was outdated or starting to look tatty.
This has led to kind of a reduction in our painting costs, and actually we were then able to use that money to invest in further wall art.
So what we're actually finding now is we have the most professional learning environment, and actually teachers and teaching assistants have that time back in the classrooms with the children, which is where they should be.
I can assure you one of the things that's happened is that the different subject leads have always come to me asking when are we going to be done next, when it's going to be our turn. And we're very close now to all of the subject areas having been completed across the school. It's somewhere they spend a significant part of their lives, and if you're spending a significant part of your life somewhere, it's really nice to have that as an inspiring and enjoyable place to be.